Hi! Today we're going to learn about integration problems in calculus. Let's say we have to compute the integral from 5x to the fourth plus 3x to the x power minus sine of x dx. So first, let's just use the linearity rules and split this into three different integrals. The first integral would be the integral of 5x to the fourth dx plus the integral of 3 to the x power dx minus the integral of sine of x dx. So now what do we do? Well, in this integral we see that we can use the power rule, or the opposite of the power rule. So we know this exponent will become bigger by 1 or greater by 1, so we get x to the fifth. Then we have to divide this coefficient by the new exponent, which is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. So we get x to the fifth plus c. This is the answer to this integral. This integral would be equal to. So here we have to go back and remember what happens when you have the derivative of 3 to the x power. That would be the derivative of 3 to the x power would be the natural log of 3 times 3 to the x power. Here we have just 3 to the x power, and because we know that natural log of 3 is a constant, we can divide by this constant natural log of 3. So this would be equal to 3 to the x power over the natural log of 3. For the natural log of 3. The derivative of this would be the natural log of 3 times 3 to the x power over the natural log of 3, giving us just 3 to the x power. And then we have the last example, minus sine of x dx. So this would be equal to, so we know that the derivative of negative cosine is positive sine. So we get minus, because of here, negative cosine of x, which is equal to positive cosine of x. So the answer to this problem would have to be, oh, and then we forgot plus c at the end of each of these, plus c. So now the last step, which is writing out the answer, I'll do up here because we have no more space. So the answer would be x to the fifth plus c plus 3x, 3 to the x power, over the natural log of 3 plus cosine of x. And because these c's are all constants, we can just add one c at the end, plus c. Today we learned about integration problems in calculus. Thank you for watching this video.